Welcome to another ShareFrame Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll have a closer look at the data window. First of all, let's have a look at the different ways in which you can open it. To open up the data window, you can use one of four different ways. You can either click on View and the data window. You can click on the toolbar at the top here that says Data Window. You can press the big plus sign on your numpad if you have one. Or the simplest and most common way is by pressing the spacebar, like so. Now that we've pressed the spacebar, let's have a closer look at the data window itself. As you can see, it gives you more in-depth information regarding the share that's currently on your screen. So for example, where my mouse is currently situated over here, it tells you the date, which is the 21st of July 2016, which was a Thursday. It will provide you with the close, the high, the low, the volume, and the open. Further down, in this little block here, it will provide you with the price change from the previous day, as well as the price from 3 months ago, 12 months ago, as well as the highest price over the last 12-month period. In this little block here, provides you information from a start date to an end date of your choosing. In order to get the start date, all you have to do is simply left click once on the screen. Once you have done so, you will see it will provide you with a blue line, which is now your start date. After the start date, wherever you move your mouse to will obviously change the figures as well as the end date. So for example, my mouse is situated over here. It will show you that the start date is the 18th of July to the 2nd of November 2016. It will also provide you with the price change, which is negative 5.02%, and also the number of days from your start date to where your mouse cursor is situated. You can also go in the opposite direction. So for example, from your start date, you can go backwards. And you can see from the start date to where my cursor is currently situated. The start date is the 18th of July as before, and the end date is the 25th of May. The price change is 1.27%, and you can see we've gone back 37 days. Should you wish to change the start date, all one has to do is just move your mouse over the selected date. Let's say over here. Single left click. The blue line has now changed, providing you with a different start date, which is now the 2nd of June 2016. And the rest works exactly the same. Moving your mouse to the right provides you with a positive days change. And you can see here from the 2nd of June to the 2nd of November, it's a negative 6.2% change in price, and the number of days is 106. If I move in the opposite direction, for example, let's say over here, you can see the date has now changed at the top in this little section here, as well at the bottom here. The date has changed from a start date of 2nd June to the 8th of February 2016. The percentage change in price is negative 7.98%, and that is a 78-day difference. Thanks for watching. Till the next one.